Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and show you how to change the blade on this Fiskars Pro utility knife. So here's our utility knife. We're going to make sure this is all the way back. Now we can open this up and we can store blades in here. So you're going to move this up there. It's spring loaded. So when you move that lever up, it will spring load open. This is where we can store the blades. You're going to grab the blade. Be careful. It can be a little tricky. They are double-sided. Okay, so to install the new blade, you're either going to leave it open after you get the blade out or you're going to open it back up. So it needs to be spring-loaded open. I like to have this retracted all the way. You're going to take your blade. You're simply going to put it in there like this. Kind of put it in the bottom first. Then those two notches should line up. Now again, you can store blades right there. Close this. Make sure it snaps close. You can see it's all lined up there. And now when we put the blade out, it comes out. And we want to retract it, we have to lift it up a little bit because there's a little notch. And same with when we want to put it out, lift it up, and it goes into there. So when it's out, it's very sturdy. It's got a nice rubber grip right here. And there's some rubber grip right there too. So it fits in your hand really well, and it makes cutting boxes easy. Okay, so here I got some box. This is a double box. Oh yeah. This knife is really, really sharp. So be careful. There we go. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.